Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so sorry about the background noise. It is a stupid furnace at the neighbor's house. Welcome back to Quarter Horse Stables, where we have horses and stuff. And unfortunately, our barn is at a different place, but sometimes we do it here. That's where we keep the horses. Won't board them here. Those are the logs, the poles we use for jumps. This is our truck we pull with. The trailer and stuff. We have another truck my grandpa wants somewhere. And this is like the arena area. This is just in case if we want to play soccer or something or training the horses. This is the backyard. Considered a backyard. I guess we could go the other way. Side's locked. So I love my farm. We have chickens, cows, horses, goats. We have a baby tiger. So see you guys there. I don't have. I guess that'll take too long. You're almost there. It's kind of a long way. Well, I was all the way up there, other side of the house. I'm on the side of it. Here's this empty tree, and I never noticed this. It's a fence that's the neighbor's yard. Right there we have that big bush. Finally here. What's the 6 day? Say it's rainy. This is where they are at. This is paddock there. It's where they can get it. You go all the way on that side, and we came from that side. It's kind of a long way. And in here, through this door, is their basement, but kind of use it as a tack room / feeding. I'll show you. We'll go inside. I'll show you. What are we waiting for? My, it's actually a really long walk. Oh, and if you have not subscribed or put those notifications on, I do not know how to say the word. Or if you have liked this video and you need to go check out Kitty Lover. It's my best friend's YouTube channel. Her name is Zoe. Her real name is Sophie, but they call her Zoe for a nickname. She has a brother named Marissa and an older brother. Older brother named Colin, but she calls him Blaze because it's his YouTube name. She's 13, I'm 13 too, and she lives in Washington, D.C. Well, she used to. She still says she does. What am I doing? I'm supposed to be in the house, and yeah. So, let's go to the basement. We're gonna go through the house. So, 1 second. I don't know.
You don't know anything else.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. I'm coming right back out.
Don't let me find the door.
Okay.
See the door?
That's my, oh, it's a beetle. This is the deck. Here is where we sometimes wash the animals, like the smaller animals. Here's where we wash our stuff. And there's just clothes everywhere that we don't use. And here, it's locked. See? We use for where we put the saddles and blankets. We do have the keys, but I'm not very sure where they're at. So, yeah, like this door, this is where you can walk out. To the outdoor paddock. That's where you can walk outside. That's like a shortcut to where the horses are. This is the lounge area in case we don't want to leave near the horses. Like, say if there's a new one, we would still want to keep the horses at that spot. But under our vision. So we're gonna go in my room really quick. This is my bathroom. This is my room. Yes, it is kind of messy, but I just roll along with it. So this is my dog's bed. This is mine because my dog can't climb on top of my bed. So, yeah, and that's what I wanted to show you for today. And I'll tell you a little bit more about my horses later, probably, because I have a lot to do today and all of that. And I vlog since it's my third or second video, I'm gonna start vlogging on Wednesdays. So Tuesdays, not Wednesdays. Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays. And sometimes Sundays. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and put the notifications on so you know every time I post a video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Out.